Hi everyone, how are you all? I hope everyone is doing great. I'm absolutely all right. Today, what are we going to discuss about is that we need to see English as a language instead of learning it as a subject if we want to speak English fluently. Today's topic is this. Now the time is 9:30 a.m. What are you doing right now? Have you done your breakfast? Have you had your breakfast? Put it in the comments. And the weather is not so good. It's so cold here. I think I will catch cold if I stay here for some more time. I will continue the video while commuting to my office. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Today's topic is actually a bit closer to my heart because so many of the people are struggling hard to learn this language just because they are thinking it as a subject. Okay, friends, now let us discuss some of the points why we need to see English as a language instead of a subject if we want to gain fluency. Okay, see, first of all, when you want to learn not only English, any other subject also, you need to keep in mind that it is just a language, a mode of communication to express your views to the other person. That is what you need to feed your brain each and every time. Otherwise, if you watch English as other subjects like science, maths, exams, marks, then a feeling called fear will start within you and it will slow down the process of gaining fluency. First, coming to my story, previously I was able to speak English a little bit. The whole story or the whole journey of how I started speaking English and making videos is already in this channel. If you are new, please watch that video. I will put that video in the end screens. My journey may be little bit relatable to some people and may not be relatable at all to many people. It's not the case, but the purpose is that when you stop seeing English as a language, then 50% of your work is done. Okay? You need to see it as a language only. So shift your mind that it is just a language. Now, let me quickly give you some tips. I told I will give you some tips, right? The first tip from my side is that first listen. Okay, listen more. I know if you are new to this language, you will not be able to understand. Even then, listen, listen, and then start repeating the small sentences. Okay, then practice shadowing technique, which is one of the best techniques. Okay, start practicing shadowing technique. It will give you massive results. The second tip from my side is start speaking. Whatever you have learned on that particular day, start speaking. Okay, I am going to give you a mini task, that is write down 2 sentences that you have heard in this video. Okay, write down 2 sentences right now in the comment section. I am going to read it. You need to start practicing in order to gain fluency. There is no other option. And my third tip is that be consistent in your skills. Be consistent in your speaking skills. Even it is for 1 minute also, speak in English. Okay, start speaking English every day. And my final tip is that make mistakes. Yes, make mistakes and learn from your mistakes. Okay, don't be afraid of making mistakes. These are the tips I wanted to give you in order to make you to gain fluency. Okay, my dear friends, I am not forcing anyone that you need to follow them, but if you follow, you will definitely find results. Okay, so all the best for your English speaking journey, English learning journey. So, my dear friends, it may be for just 1 minute also each and every day. Try to speak in English. Okay, I just missed all these days sharing my opinions, my tips, my tricks, the methods I followed with you. Now I am not going to miss it. I am going to catch you each and every day. So that is all for this video. Catch me tomorrow. And if you are new, please subscribe to my channel and support me to learn English. And if you find it useful, share it to someone else. Follow me for more videos and watch my previous videos if you are new. Thank you so much. See you soon.